What's up,
Weather.
everybody? Meteorologist Malachi Silva here for your hurricane season forecast, which is coming up on June 1st. So here's the new cone of certainty, we call it. The other one was called the cone of uncertainty. Now, basically, this gives us warnings like the other one didn't. It replaces the category tropical storm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with letters, which I'm not going to lie, does make it more confusing for us here. So basically, a D means a tropical depression, a tropical storm depression, which is 39 miles an hour or less. H means 74 to 110 miles an hour. M, 110 plus. S, 39 to 73. Brown, hurricane. Yellow, tropical storm, like an orange yellow. Just a plain yellow, tropical storm watch. Pink, hurricane watch. Here's just a quick example here. To the left of me over here. But here, if we look at our water temperatures, it's better when those water temperatures for hurricanes are actually in the orangey red. When you're in the blue here, it's a lot more normal for a lot worse for hurricane conditions, because it makes the hurricane starts to form less, because colder waters equal more wind shear, when the orangey means warmer weather to help those storms form. In order for a storm to curl up to the Atlantic, you need warmer waters, which is kind of what we say, but there is some blue, which we'll keep an eye on. This year we're expecting 11 to 16 named storms. 4 to 7 of those will be hurricanes. 2 to 4 major hurricanes in category 3 or greater. And 3 to 5 direct U.S. impacts. This changes because we have an El Nino here for in the Pacific Ocean, which is actually causing these waters to be warmer than normal, good for hurricanes in the Pacific, and that even brings up to the Atlantic. Here is our Pacific jet stream that goes up right up here, and then there is our Atlantic jet stream right here, because it splits apart and then it goes here. So the main factor for us having this jet stream is the Pacific jet stream, which is the main reason with the El Nino. La Ninas, we had 1 La Nina and 0 El Ninas that actually happened in the Atlantic, which is very cool, which I will tell you about that as my forecast goes on, but not today, unfortunately. I'm sorry. Fun fact, I only blinked 3 times during this 3-minute video. How many days do we have to prepare before mainland landfall? 12 to 14 days when it's near the Cape Verde, but as it heads up towards like Jamaica area, then we start to get 2 to 6 days to prepare as it heads into Atlantic territory, which is mainly this bluish area over here. 0 to 4 days to prepare before it hits U.S. landfall, such as southern New England where I live. Hurricane wind scale 1 to 5. This is what it looks like. Category 1, that house is still kind of sturdy over here. Wind 74 to 95. Category 2, you see those trees falling a little bit and the shingles almost falling down the house. Winds 96 to 110 miles an hour for that category 2. Category 3, 111 to 129 miles an hour, which you see that house starting to fall apart a little bit and the palm trees falling. Category 3, you see the palm trees and the house starting to fall. Winds 111 to 129 miles an hour. Category 4, house completely failing, 130 to 156 miles an hour wind. Category 5, it's completely gone, disintegrated, 157 miles an hour or very dangerous. That will be the end of this forecast. Fun fact, guess how many times I blinked in this video? Put it in the comments, and I'll see who's correct, and I'll put it in, I'll answer your comments in the comments. Bye. Adios, amigos. The barbecue sauce.